Hey Fit Fam, this 5-minute warm-up can be included before any workout. It's a combination of stretching and cardio to warm up the body and get the blood flowing. We've got 8 exercises, 30 seconds on, and no rest time. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. We'll start in down dog. Begin on your hands and knees, then lift your knees off the floor. Reach your bottom towards the ceiling and align your ears with your upper arms. Pedal out your legs here as we deeply stretch the hamstrings, calves, and arches. We'll stay here for about 10 seconds and then meet in Cobra. You can start by getting on the ground, belly flat on the floor, then lift yourself up into Cobra. Or from down dog here, elbows in, leading with your chest coming forward, bring your shoulders over your hands with the tops of your feet and thighs on the ground. This will really stretch out all that ab work we've been doing. Then go back into down dog to pedal it out one last time. And now back into Cobra one more time for a few breaths here. Now we'll stand up to get our hips and legs warmed up. In a circular motion, bring one knee up to the side, rotate it forward, and then bring it back down to switch sides. We'll do this move for about 15 seconds, and then we'll switch directions to go backwards. Now switch directions, bringing your knee up to the front and then to the side. Five more seconds and we'll move into a jumping jack. The modified version is to take out the jump. Here we go. We'll be here for 20 seconds. Five more seconds, then we'll move into an arm swing. Bring your arms out to the side and then cross them like you're giving yourself a big hug, alternating which arm is on top. This will really get your chest and shoulder muscles warmed up. We'll be here for 5 more seconds and then we'll move into the leg swing. You can find a wall or just use your balance and swing your leg back and forth, really warming up that groin area and hamstring. Switch sides. Next up, we'll get our heart pumping with some squats. We'll be here for about 30 seconds. Focus on your breath and inhale as you squat down and exhale as you come up. Lastly, we'll warm up our quads with butt kicks. The modification is to take out the jump, pulling your feet to your butt on each side. that's it. It's super important to do this every workout to get your muscles nice and warm before you get into something super intense. Hope you guys have enjoyed this quick little warm-up, and now you're ready for your workout today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe and notification bell for more videos.